Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a super useful tutorial on how to back up your website on xCloud. Let's jump right in. First, log into your xCloud account, enter your credentials. Great! Now click on the drop down arrow from the top and click on Theme Settings. Once you're in the Theme Settings, navigate to the Integration tab. Here you will find various options, but today we're focusing on Storage Provider. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you will see an option to add new provider. To start setting up a new storage provider, click on this button. For this tutorial, we're selecting Vultr Object Storage, which is a fantastic choice for handling large file objects. To collect your storage endpoint, log into your Vultr account and head over to the dashboard. Look for products, click on it, and then select Cloud Storage followed by Object Storage. Click on Add Cloud Storage. You will need to give your storage a label name. This can be anything that helps you identify it easily. Once you have named it, then click on the Add button, go to Storage, and navigate to the bucket. Go ahead and click on Create Bucket. Fill out all necessary details for your bucket and hit the Create Bucket button. Here you can see if there are any available files in your bucket. Then go to Object Storage and click on storage you have created. Now that your bucket is ready, click on it to view your credentials and bucket details. Copy this information as we will need it back in the xCloud dashboard. You have made sure you copied all the essential credentials and pasted it to the storage provider. Once everything looks good, hit the Submit button. Storage provider created successfully will appear in the bottom right corner. We are almost there. Navigate to all sites and pick an existing site from your list. On the left sidebar, click on Backup and then select Backup Settings. Here you can configure the settings as per your requirements, like select the site backup you have created, enable automatic backup, and select backup frequency accordingly. We can select the duration of the backup deletion. For example, here we are selecting 30 days and after that it will be deleted. Then save the settings. Finally, head over to Previous Backups and simply click on Backup Now. And voila! You have successfully backed up your site using Vultr Object Storage with xCloud. Wasn't that easy? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.